Good. So first of all, I got rid of the white. Enjoy the wood finish. Today we have something like this, which basically is another of these China flashlights probably. And I just wanted to show you how they arrive. Basically, normally it's one of these plastic bags, and obviously I'm not showing you the address, but what you're looking for is, at least in Germany, to stay under a special limit so that the customs are not interested in it. I think at least that is, if it's like under 15 euros, under 12, do your own research. You will find the limit and you know what you can import without having to worry about the taxes and the tariffs. We got a sticker and basically that's what you get out of the box. This is dated to the 20th of July and now it's 7th of August and this was in the post today. Okay, what do we got here? CX03A2 201 black, made in China. That's all you get, that's the box. And I have to confess I'm a bit hooked on these flashlights right now. This is another one of these zoomable flashlights. That's like the Ultrafire 68, I think. But look, it stands on the bottom. The first test passed. This is a CREE Q5 and the full name on here best is CREE XPE Q5 600 lumen zoomable LED flashlight, one AA battery or one 14500 in black at a total cost of €3.08. Shipping included. At least in my case. Okay, let's have a look inside. I think it feeds on one AA battery. I don't know how full they are. Just, oh, we also see that we got an O-ring, rubber O-ring. Nice. I think if I remove the O-ring, I can remove this clip as well. That's good. This is like aluminum. This also. This seems to be all aluminum. Okay, obviously it just has one firing mode and a halo. Nice. Okay, nice click to the button, and here we see the tiny chip inside. We have the clip. Oh, this is flimsy. This is really flimsy. I think I can, yep, see, it's already bent. So that's no good clip. So I've seen better clips on those flashlights. And yes, we see it has one mode. There are no additional modes. The Ultrafire has like more, like low power, high power and flashy mode, which can be a plus, can be a minus. Also, you have to decide on this. I don't need those flashy modes, but it's nice to have a high power and a low power mode. So basically if you're walking around at night, you don't need the highest power because you just, it depends on the terrain obviously, but if you're working in terrain you know and you just need a little help to identify the holes from the rocks and stuff like that, then you can use low power. But if you want to read or if you want to really identify something in the dark, then you sacrifice some battery life for brightness, obviously. I love to have the choice between long battery life and low light or high light and short battery life. Okay, without the lens it does nothing, but it has a nice spread to it. Okay, so overall it's nice. It's nice. It just has one mode, can be a plus, can be a minus, depends on you. The good thing is it stands on the bottom without having to fix it or print something. It also runs on one AA battery compared to the Ultrafire A68. Also nice, also rigid. The only thing that's really disappointing is this flimsy hanger or clip on here. Yeah, but that's it. Just a short one. Thanks a lot for watching.